This is the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni, a robotic vacuuming and mopping system that comes accompanied with an all-in-one hands-off Omni station that can self-clean and dry, auto-empty and auto-water refill after each cleaning round. This system has been built to make cleaning floors a lot easier. And it really does. Ecovacs claims it features the company's strongest suction power at 5000 PA, which means it can easily pick up dirt off not only floorboards and tiles, but on carpet and rugs too. For its mopping function, the Deebot has 2 rotating mopping pads located at the rear of its body and relies on pressure and a rotation speed of 180 per minute to mop up stubborn stains. Ecovacs says it's also inbuilt with the latest artificial intelligence 3D mapping technology, so when the Deebot is navigating around the home, its perception of its environment is more precise. This is ideal for when you have an odd toy or slipper still lying on the floor. You will find that Ecovacs will automatically slow down its suction when it detects an object is in its way. While it is smart enough to avoid larger objects, be careful because it will sweep up smaller items such as your phone charger cables or that missing earring. All the cleaning action can be viewed directly from Deebot's perspective. This can be done through the integrated cameras via the Ecovacs Home App Video Manager. This is handy when you're out and about. You can still keep an eye on it. The Video Manager also has a 2-way voice function, so you can talk, or more like creep up, on other family members or pets at home. The other feature worth calling out is the integrated AI voice assistant that goes by the name Yiko. While the idea is that you can say, "Okay, Yiko," it doesn't always necessarily work. But the idea is that you have a personal butler on call to come towards your voice, clean a certain part of the house, or clean around a piece of furniture. Thankfully, the Ecovacs Home app gives you similar function controls if it all fails. It would also be amiss to not acknowledge just the sheer size of this beast. Even though Danish design company Jacob Jensen Design has tried to create something that is sleek and minimalistic in design so it can blend seamlessly into anyone's home, the flagship of the Deebot X1 does take up a lot of space. So if the space is an issue in your home, you may want to consider the Deebot X1 Turbo, which comes with a smaller station. The downside though, it can only automatically clean the mopping pads and refill the water reservoir. It doesn't auto-empty the bin, which is probably the best feature for Omni. As to whether I'd consider splashing 2,499 Australian dollars on this new robotic system and to never have to think about cleaning my floors again, it really does make me think twice about how much I value my time. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You can find the full review below. And for more tech news, don't forget to visit ZDNet.com. Thanks for watching.